Hi, Dr. Eric here. How does red light therapy create collagen and healthier skin? In Genesis 1.3 they say, let there be light. So let's open up the curtain and take a look at how red light is revolutionizing collagen and skin therapy. Now, to build stronger collagen, we need the ultimate whole body approach. We need a full spectrum of the red light wavelengths that we know make that skin healthier, and we need it in a comfortable setting that's fast. To build stronger, healthier collagen, we need the ultimate whole body bed with the full spectrum of therapeutic red light. Our face and our hands are part of the largest organ system of the body. Not just the skin, but the connective tissue underneath, which includes nerves, blood vessels, even some muscles, and certainly a lot of adipocytes. If we want them to looking their best, do we want to just treat this face? No, we want to look and treat the whole body. Now you can see the 45,000 medical grade diodes that are in this TheraLight 360. And because we have more red light energy, we can treat deeper, better, faster for rejuvenation, and not just that outside skin, but that vital circulation and connective tissue underneath. Now, do we need to be able to get nutrition into those cells to make that collagen? And do those cells need energy to make that collagen? Yes, and then yes. And unfortunately, aging and oxidative stress and poor nutrition and damage or medical treatments all are setting us back every day. And we can fix all that by simply relaxing on our TheraLight bed. It's only 10 to 20 minutes depending on your specific skin type and body composition. It's comfortable, and as you can see, the medical TheraLight advantage is clear. We have a whole body treatment with a full spectrum of wavelengths that are important, and we can do it relaxing on the bed, and did I mention just 10 to 20 minutes. Now, they say beauty is skin deep. However, we know that there's a very important part, and that's right underneath it with that circulation and connective tissue. And the TheraLight advantage is we can reach deeper than anyone else, providing more energy and in a comfortable setting. In addition, these wavelengths fight inflammation and pain. And why is that important? Because we want to get a better night's sleep, because that's when the most anti-aging, repair, and healing effects are created. Come on down, see the TheraLight 360, ask your questions, give it a try. We encourage you. We look forward to seeing the results that you accomplish, and we hope you're having a great day with this good news. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you soon.